Hey guys, is your Xfinity Wi-Fi feeling slow or laggy? In this quick guide I'll show you exactly how to speed up your connection and get smoother streaming, faster downloads and better overall performance. So firstly, restart your Xfinity modem or gateway. Just unplug it, wait 30 seconds, then plug it back in. This clears out any temporary glitches that could be slowing things down. Then, just make sure your router is in a central, open location, away from walls, microwaves or large electronics. The fewer obstacles, the better your signal strength throughout your home. Also guys, if you're on a dual band router, switch to the 5 GHz band for faster speeds and less interference, especially in crowded Wi-Fi areas like apartments. Also guys, too many connected devices slow down your bandwidth. Disconnect anything you're not actively using, smart TVs, phones or tablets sitting idle. Also, for the best speeds, use a Ethernet cable when possible. If your signal is weak in certain rooms, consider a Wi-Fi extender or Xfinity's X5 pods to boost coverage. So just try these steps guys, they are very easy to do. And if it's still slow, you might want to upgrade your plan or router. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel and check the description for more Wi-Fi tips. See you soon.